I'm thrilled to bring our newest listing to market. This is 4501 South Holland Street in the Marston neighborhood of Littleton. Now, if you don't know much about this amazing southern neighborhood here, what you have is access to Red Rocks within 12 minutes. You're 20 minutes from downtown, and you have an abundance of open space and trails. Let's go check it out. We hope you love this house as much as the current owners do. If you have any questions or would like more information, you can read more in the description or just give us a call directly. Take care.